Today, we're going to explore the amazing process of photosynthesis, how plants make their own food.
So plants use sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide from the air to make their own food. This process is called photosynthesis.
So this is the leaf, which is the main site of photosynthesis.
Chloroplasts capture sunlight.
Plants take water from their roots and carbon dioxide from the air.
See how the plant uses sunlight, water, and air to make its own food. And it gives us oxygen. Roots absorb water from the soil, while leaves release oxygen into the air. This process keeps the plant alive.
Photosynthesis sustains life on our planet by providing food and oxygen for all living things.